Hello guys, thank you for waiting. Sorry for the delay, but I'm here, we are here, and we are going to start, okay? So
Okay.
a reminder, remember that this week, this is the last week of the course for the level 11. Next week, you'll be starting the level 12. So it means on Wednesday, we're gonna be having our evaluation, okay? And what else did I wanna tell you? Yeah, that that in case that we don't get to finish the material today, we're gonna finish it on next class, and after that we'll have the exam. Okay, so let's start then with the class. I'm gonna share the screen, and here we are. So these are like the different topics of grammar, vocabulary, speaking, etc. And we're gonna continue. If I'm not wrong, si no estoy mal, no alcanzamos a terminar este ejercicio, right? ¿O sí?
No.
Okay.
No.
So I ask you, did I ask you to finish it? No, right? Did I? Recuérdenme. Solo hicimos la primera parte. Sí, ¿verdad?
Yes.
Okay. Good. So I told you that we were going to continue in this class. So just a quick review about this topic, which is the comparatives. Remember, this is used, the comparative is used to compare two things, two people or two things, right? And we use it with the ER ending, or if it has more than two syllables, I'm going to add that more before the adjective. For example, a giraffe is taller than a dog. In this case, I will have to use than. Recuerden que les comenté en la clase pasada that it's not a must to use than, but it is needed when I am comparing it between two things and I need to make the reference. I need to use the reference. So that's when I'm going to use than. So in this case, in this type of sentences, I will use than. So it will be the first subject, and the adjective, the comparative adjective plus than, and the other, and the one that is being compared with. Another one, let's do this one together. Here we have, what is this, pineapple? Is this pineapple or fries?
The
French fries.
Fries?
French fries.
Okay. I see it as pineapple, but well, this is fries and this is a salad. So, and the adjective I need to use is healthy. So how would you make this sentence?
Salad is healthier than French fries.
Very good. Salad is healthier, healthier than fries. Very good. Good. So, do you have any question about this exercise?
No.
No? Remember, you already have the adjective, you already have the objects you need to compare. So you just have to make the sentence, but you have everything to make it, okay? So just make that comparative form. Answer please till the letter J. Let me know when you're done and we are going to check them, okay? Did you finish?
Yo no.
Remember to tell me, okay? Porque luego siento que están esperando que yo les diga y no hay comunicación.
Ahora sí.
Perfect. Guillermo, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, good. So here we are. Remember that your sentences, okay, never mind. Let's go. Guillermo, what do you have in letter B?
Letter B.
Letter B.
Soccer is popular than golf. More popular.
More popular. More popular than golf. Very good. Alondra, what do you have in letter C?
Saudi Arabia is hotter than Norway.
Saudi Arabia is hotter than what?
Norway.
Norway. Okay. Guillermo, what do you have in letter D?
Math is more difficult than art class.
Okay. Math class is more than our class. Good. Alondra, letter E. Alondra?
Winter is colder than summer.
Very good. It's colder than summer. Guillermo, letter F.
Email is faster than mail.
Very good. It's faster than mail. Good. Letter G. Alondra.
Lions are scarly than kittens.
Carrier than kittens. Very good. Guillermo, letter H.
Tokyo is more crowded than Reykjavik.
Very good.
Reykjavik.
Yeah. is more crowded than Reykjavik, I think. Reykjavik. Okay, letter I, Alondra, beautiful.
Nature is more beautiful than garbage.
Very good. Garbage. And Guillermo, letter J.
The pressure is slightlier than a parking ticket.
Is what?
Is worse.
Worse than parking ticket. Very good. Excellent. Questions so far?
No.
No?
No.
Now it says, write sentences with I think and the comparative form of the adjective in blue. Use your own ideas. When you are finished, discuss your answers with a partner. Okay, so for example, good. I think comic books are better than movies. So remember here, it says use your own ideas. So it means that you will decide what things to compare, okay? So you just have to find something that you would like to compare, and important will be the adjective. Cool, beautiful, difficult, delicious, easy to understand, fun, nice, and boring. Remember, these sentences you won't have them the same. You basically have to look for things that fit the adjective and that according to you, one is more important, cooler, etc. than the other, okay? Is it clear?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll give you a few minutes and you tell me when you finish.
Okay.
Did you finish, guys?
No, teacher.
Okay, Alejandra, can you go to this exercise, please? Is the exercise 10-2, making comparisons. We are in this part 3. Guillermo, did you finish? Guillermo, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, Alondra?
Sí, acabo de terminar.
Okay, perfect. So Alejandra, you could just follow us, okay? Nos puedes seguir y ya en el siguiente te nos unes. Okay. So Guillermo, important. What is more important for you than other thing?
Mm, I think the study is more important than play.
Okay, studying is more important than playing. Okay, very good. Alondra, cool. What do you have with cool?
Where a dress is colored than with a blouse.
Okay, wear a dress is cooler than wear a blouse. Good. Guillermo, beautiful.
I think the park is more beautiful than the prison.
What? The what?
The park
Uh-huh. It's
is
more
more
beautiful
beautiful than the prison.
than the beach?
Prison.
I don't get it. Te trabaste justo cuando me dijiste la palabra.
The prison.
Prison.
Prison. Okay, then prison. Very good. Difficult. Alondra.
English class is more difficult than chemistry class.
Okay. English class is more difficult than chemistry class. Very good. Guillermo, delicious.
I think the cake is more delicious than the eggs.
Then X.
Yes.
Okay. Alondra, easy to understand.
Practicing English is easy to understand than just studying it.
It's easier to understand than just studying it. Very good. Guillermo, G.
I think the baseball is funnier than soccer.
Baseball
Yes,
is more fun than soccer. Okay. H, Alondra.
Dogs are nicer than cats.
How, Alondra?
Dogs are nicer than cats.
Okay, dogs are nicer than cats. Guillermo, letter I.
I think the work is more boring than school.
Practicing work is
Yes.
more boring than play,
The school.
than school. Okay, very good. Look at the information below and then write about it using superlative adjectives. Answers will vary. 3 brothers. Okay, let's see in here. It says Pete, Greg, and Sam. Hey, tall, short. Okay, this is in centimeters. Here we have Pete with 178 centimeters, Greg with 164, and Sam 171. Weight, 91 kilograms, 80 and 95. In age, 27, 29, and 24. So you have, using this chart, you are going to do the next exercise, okay? For example, Pete is the tallest brother, Greg is the shortest brother. Aquí vamos a usar los superlative. Recuerden que los superlative en comparación con los comparative, es que los comparatives me sirven a comparar entre una persona o una cosa y otra, right? Y los superlatives, pues, digamos que también me sirven para comparar, pero yo al usar un superlative adjective, estoy diciendo que este objeto o esta persona se encuentra en el top de la category that I'm talking about. For example, supongamos that we're talking about cakes. If for me, the best, el mejor, is lime, for example, lime cake. Entonces yo te voy a decir, lime cake is the best, hablando de los cakes que estamos hablando, right? Entonces aquí voy a comparar, por así decirlo, a Pete, Greg, and Sam. Y voy a hacer las oraciones dependiendo the height, weight, and age. So, for the example, Pete is the tallest and Greg is the shortest. Weight, I have to choose the one at the top, like the one with the heaviest weight, and the one with the lightest, okay? About the age, it will be the oldest and the youngest. And then we have the same, but in this time is going to be with the countries. Large, big, and hot. This is the adjective we're gonna use. Size, large, the largest, the biggest, and the hardest. Okay? Next, population and temperature. Size, population, and temperature. And then we have the 3 towers, and it's again height, age, and floor area. Tall, new, and large. Height will be the tallest, the newest, and the largest, okay? And then we have 3 business people, Bill Gates, Amancio Ortega, and Carlos Slim. Age, the oldest, money, the richest, and well, basically that's it for this part. ¿Tienen alguna pregunta de cómo lo van a comparar? Igual, si quieren pueden empezar a hacerlo y si les surge alguna duda, me preguntan. Pero recuerden, aquí no van a usar comparatives. Here is to use superlatives, que son los que terminan en EST y que les agrego el the antes de. Por ejemplo, the best, the largest, the biggest, the hottest. ¿Sí? Ok. Aquí voy a estar por si tienen una duda. Solo un minuto y regreso rápido. Por ejemplo, aquí me marca dos adjetivos, entonces voy a usar tanto el uno como el otro. En las que me marca solo uno, pues voy a usar solo uno, ¿ok?
Listo, teacher.
Excellent. Okay, let's go then to the second one of the first part of the three brothers. And talking about weight. Guillermo, can you help me with it, please?
It is the heaviest brother. Greg is the lightest brother.
It is the heaviest. And Greg is the lightest. Okay. Talking about age. Alejandra.
Estaba leyendo las instrucciones, teacher, y la estoy haciendo apenas, pero hasta ahorita tengo Greg is the oldest
Okay.
y a ver. And Sam is the
Youngest.
youngest.
Okay, very good. Well, we're gonna go now to the next one, and it says in here, 3 countries, Mexico, USA, and Canada. And the first comparison we're gonna make is about the size. So, Alondra,
Canada is the largest country.
very good, is the largest country. Guillermo, letter B.
USA is the biggest country.
Very good.
Biggest population.
Double G because it is consonant, vowel, consonant, remember. Alejandra, letter C, which is the hottest.
Mexico is the hottest.
Very good. Mexico is the hottest. Perfect. Okay, now the 3 towers. And we have Burj Khalifa, Petronas, and Taipei 101. Talking about height. Okay, Alondra, please.
Burj Khalifa is the tallest tower.
Very good. Burj Khalifa is the tallest tower. Guillermo, letter B, H.
The Burj Khalifa.
Burj
It's
Khalifa.
I don't know the more the
The newest.
newest
Yes.
is the
Yes.
new tower.
The newest tower. Very good. And Alejandra, the large, which is the largest? Talking about floor area.
I want Taipei is the largest.
Tower. Very good. Thank you. Next, we have 3 business people, Bill Gates, Amancio Ortega, and Carlos Slim. Age, Guillermo,
Amancio Ortega is the oldest.
oldest. Is the oldest. Is the oldest person?
Person.
Because it's 1. And money, Alondra?
Bill Gates is the richest businessman.
Is the richest person. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now it says, complete the sentences with your own ideas and discuss your answers with your partner. And here I have some sentences. They are already, they're almost complete. What I basically need is the subject. It says, is the nicest person I know. For example, you could write here, my mom, my dad, my sister, my boyfriend, my girlfriend, my friend, etc. Right? And well, you just have to choose who or what is the most or the best or according to the adjective, person or thing according to the context that you know, okay? This one, remember, is according to you. So it's with your own idea, so you don't need to read or get the information from anywhere. Let me know when you finish with this part, okay?
Listo, teacher.
Perfect. Guillermo, Alejandra, did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so Alejandra, help me with the first one. The nicest person I know. Who is the nicest person you know?
My sister is the nicest person I know.
Very good. Okay, Guillermo, it says is if it is one thing, or are if it is a plural word, the most delicious food. What?
Tacos are the most delicious food.
Tacos. Very good. Alondra, letter C is the best place in the world. Which one?
The beach.
Okay, very good. Letter D, Alejandra, is the most difficult language to learn. What do you think?
Chinese is the
Okay.
most difficult language.
Very good. Guillermo, letter E, the worst problem in the world.
The contamination.
Contamination, very good. Alondra, letter F.
Baseball.
Baseball, okay, good. Alondra is the best place to study.
The library.
The library, okay. Guillermo is the scariest movie.
I don't know. I don't like this kind.
You don't like scary movies, okay. Alondra,
La monja.
okay, the mom, I think it is. Yeah, the mom is the scariest movie. Okay. Nun, the nun, not the mom. Okay, good. And Guillermo is the oldest person in your family. Who?
The grandfather.
My grandfather. And Alejandra, letter J, is the coolest actor in the world. Who?
Will Smith is the coolest actor
Will
in the world.
Smith. Okay, I agree with you. Very good. Any question about these exercises we just answered, guys? No?
No.
Okay, good. Now then, let's continue. And it says, well, no, this one, no. Here, it says customer reviews. This one is intended to be used as a review of grammar, making comparisons number 2. The following vocabulary words are used in this activity: designed, opinion, review, shiny, and work. About, and do you have any question about the meaning of these words?
Shiny.
Shiny, like something that shines. Something shiny is something that,
Okay.
that shines. Okay. Now it says, discuss the following questions in a group. Okay, I'm gonna ask Guillermo, when did you buy your cell phone?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
No, in the
Maybe 2 years ago?
last, yes, 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
3 years ago, okay.
Yeah.
So then it is a good cell phone because you still have it, okay? What about you girls? When did you buy your cell phone, Alondra and Alejandra?
2 years ago, teacher.
3 years ago, okay, Alondra?
2 years ago.
Okay. Next question says, what do you like about your phone? Is there anything you don't like about it? Okay, let's now talk about your cell phone. Now, randomly tell me, guys, what is something that you really like about your cell phone?
I like the picture that I can take with my phone.
Very good. So the camera is something that you like? Okay.
Yeah.
Alondra?
I like the faster than it is.
The speed.
Yes.
Okay. Guillermo?
The speed,
Okay. The speed he has too. Okay, very good. And what is there something that you don't like about your cell phone?
My screen is broken.
Oh, okay. Very common right nowadays, but well, yeah. Okay, Guillermo?
me too.
Oh, the same.
Me too.
The three of you, okay. I used
Yes.
to be that type of person, but I don't know. I think I've learned the lesson because mine is good. I mean that the screen is complete, but this is the first cell phone that I have complete because I remember that happened to me with my old cell phones too. Okay, next one says, when you buy your next phone, how will you choose which one to buy? So considering that your cell
Technology.
phones are old, what would you check before buying one?
The better technology.
The best technology, okay,
They
Alondra?
have a best camera.
Okay, a better camera. Alejandra?
I think that I will choose someone that I don't know how to say, pero que se parezca al que tengo, pero más nuevo.
Okay, one similar but newer.
Okay. One
Similar but newer. Okay, give me please 1 minute, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Well, and the next one says, do you ever read reviews online? Maybe not read them, but probably watching videos or well, yeah, or read them.
Yes, teacher, I do.
Yes,
Yes, I do too.
Okay,
all
why?
the time.
Because I want to be,
Aware?
no sé cómo decirlo, informada.
Okay, it could be aware. You want to be aware of what you're gonna buy.
What I'm going to buy.
Okay, very good. Alondra,
I think it's entertain.
entertaining.
Yes.
Okay. Guillermo,
Yes. All time I read the review online because I like it.
do you like
I,
technology?
yeah,
Okay, probably that's why, right? Okay, thank you. Now it says part 2, reading, open the exercise to begin the activity. Here is in the 10.1 customer reviews. That's actually the topic of the activity. I'm gonna open it, it's been shared with you already. So let's see what it says. It says, you are going to read customer reviews of the new smartphone. Before you start, work with a partner and make a list of things you think they will talk about. Okay, so before we go and read it, what are the things that are considered in a customer review? The customer review, remember, it's like the opinion someone gives about the device they bought. So what are some of the things that are said in this type of reviews? I hear you.
I think that one of the reviews is talk about the camera, the space,
Camera, space, okay.
and how it gets better than the older.
Okay.
I don't know how to say it.
the faster.
Model.
Than the older version. What did you say, Guillermo?
The faster
The speed. Okay.
speed of
The speed. What else?
So it look like,
The appearance could be.
yes.
The appearance. What about the functions? No? Or yes? Functions of the cell phone. What else?
easier the use.
Huh?
It's easy the use.
Okay. How can I write it?
The charge.
Like that. If it is easy to use, the battery, parentheses, I'll put charging time,
The
memory, very good,
the application.
apps, excellent. Very good. Go.
Tengo una duda.
Ajá,
Ahí que está por ing charging time.
ajá.
¿Por qué no puede ser solo charge?
Ok, sí pudiera ser, fíjate, pero cuando yo tomo aquí yo lo estoy usando como un sujeto, no como un verbo. No recuerdo si ya lo vimos o todavía no, en la
Creo
clase
que
pasada.
sí lo vi en el video de la clase pasada, pero no me quedó muy claro como lo vi muy rápido.
Ok.
Y ahorita me llamó la atención eso, entonces creo que era por lo de la clase pasada.
Ok, cuando yo tengo un verbo, por ejemplo, charge, pues es un verbo, ¿no? Es cargar. Cuando yo hablo del tiempo de carga, yo ya no estoy hablando en sí como de un verbo, porque ya no estoy hablando de cargar, estoy hablando del tiempo de carga, ¿sí me explico? Entonces, cuando un verbo lo convierto en un sustantivo para poder hablar de esa acción, porque si yo, no es lo mismo decir, por ejemplo, si yo digo run, es un verbo, correr. Si yo digo running, ya lo estoy convirtiendo en un sustantivo. Siempre recuerden y fíjense en el contexto en que lo usan, right? Porque obviamente si yo pongo el verb to be antes de running, she is running, por ejemplo, es un verbo. Pero si yo lo coloco al inicio o antes por ejemplo, aquí que dice charging time, aquí lo estoy usando como sustantivo. Entonces, ¿cómo puedo cambiar un verbo a sustantivo? Agregándole el ing. Por ejemplo, swimming. Swimming is very good for your health, por ejemplo.
Ah, ok.
Ahí yo no estoy diciendo nadando es lo mejor, estoy diciendo nadar es
Ah,
lo
ok,
mejor.
ok.
Lo estoy usando como sustantivo, no como verbo. ¿Sí?
Ok. Sí, gracias, teacher.
De nada. Ok, bueno, esta es la actividad. Ahora dice, read the reviews. After each review, complete the chart and the person's opinion of the phone. Tengo Elsa Garcia. In the Yaya, I think, I don't know. In the Yahya, something like that. Sasha Rustova, Jaide Dave, and that's it. Entonces, under each paragraph, I have 2 questions. I just have to answer yes or no. Y luego, it says in here, what are the main points each person reviewed? Try to write 2 or 3 points for each person using your own words. Va a ser usando sus propias palabras, pero obviamente basándose en lo que ellos dijeron, ¿ok? So, entonces, I'll give you some minutes, probably 10 minutes. Sería la última actividad que hiciéramos. Les daré 10 minutos o incluso si terminan antes me dicen, ¿ok? Les daré till 7:50. If you finish before, let me know. For you to answer these exercises, to read them, and to answer the activity, okay? Yes? Okay. When you finish, in case that you finish before 7:50, let me know, okay? Thank you.
I finished, teacher.
Perfect, it's time. Let's go and check them. We're gonna read them real quick. La vamos a leer así rapidito, nada más para, pues para saber de qué se trata. Y luego ya comentamos, okay? So, Guillermo, can you help me to read this review, please?
Okay. I think the new smartphone is great. It's much faster, thinner, and colder than my old Android phone. Of course, it has all the normal things that any smartphone has, but everything is better. The new camera is incredible. Photo on my old phone weren't as clear as the ones I take now. I think the best thing about is it easier to use. Even my bad, who is terrible with technology, can use it. They made the apps more simple and more useful. It also looks beautiful. Overall, it's a great phone.
Excellent, thank you. So I have the first one, recommends buying the phone, yes. Thinks that the phone looks good, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now let's go and read about Inda. Alondra, can you help me?
Yes. This isn't the nicest phone available, but it's not bad. If you want a good phone that does the normal things well, then this one is pretty good. It's quick, but not the quickest. It looks good, but not as good as the new iPhone. It's convenient, but not the most convenient. Does that make sense? I think other people should buy it if they aren't expecting the best.
Okay, very good. So recommends buying the phone? Yes or no?
No.
No, right? Even though, I'm sorry, even though she says in here that I think other people should buy it if they're expecting the best, that is not a good recommendation, so probably she's not recommended it. And letter B, thinks the phone looks good, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? Do you really think so?
Mm.
Not as good as the new iPhone, so I don't think so. I mean, okay, it looks good. Well, yeah, it looks good. She says that it looks good, but not as good as the iPhone, right? But it's okay. Okay, Alejandra, can you help me to read about Sasha Rupsova, please?
Yes. This is my first smartphone and I'm happy with it. I don't know if it's faster than other phones or easier to use, but it does everything I needed to. The best part of it is how it looks. It's lighter than most other phones available. Other phones aren't as smooth or as shiny as the smartphone. I think it's the most beautiful phone you can buy. I suggest buying one today.
Okay, so recommends the phone, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. Does she think that the phone looks good?
yes.
Yes, very good. Now let's go with Dave. I'll read this one. It says, I hate this phone. I was so excited when I bought it, but I really don't like it. I think it's worse than my old phone. First, it looks boring. There isn't anything interesting about the design. Second, it's not as fast as the other new phones, and the apps open slowly and they don't work well. This is the worst phone. Okay, does David recommend buying the cell phone?
No.
Not at all, right? Does he think that the phone look good?
No.
No. Okay, now it says, what are the main points in each person's review? Try to write 2 or 3 points. Elsa, what did Elsa say about the cell phone?
The speed.
Huh?
Speed.
That
Speed.
is
What else?
Camera.
Easier to use.
Easy to use. Another one?
Camera. Camera.
Camera. Okay, good. Indra, what did she say about the cell phone?
No bad then. So the smart, but no bad,
Not
but
bad?
not good.
Okay, not bad, but doesn't
Like
recommend.
the better. But,
But does but not the
No.
best. Okay, very good. One more.
It's
Quick.
quite, but not quickest.
It's quite quick. Okay. Sasha, what about Sasha? What did she say?
It's smooth and shiny than others.
Small and shiny and others. Shinier. No, shiny. Well, never mind. Shiny. And Dave, what did he say?
Looks boring. The apps are slowly.
Apps open slowly. One more.
Anything interesting.
The worst in the all.
The worst phone.
Yes, the worst. Oh my God. Okay. Now it says, take a look at the blue parts of the sentences from the reading. What do they mean? Can you think of another way to say them with comparative adjectives? For example, photos on my old phone weren't as clear as the ones I take now. How could I say this same sentence but using a comparative, guys? For example, I'll help you with this, so maybe you didn't understand what I asked you. For example, you could say, my older cell phone took better pictures than my new one, or my new cell phone takes worse pictures. No, it's better, right? Takes clearer pictures than before, for example. Next sentence. It looks good, but not as good as. Not as good as. It means that the first one that I'm gonna say is not as good as the other one that I'm gonna say. So I'm comparing two. It's not as fast, as smooth or as shiny as. If you notice here, si se fijan aquí, cuando tengo el not as, la estructura es not as adjective as y significa pues que el primero no está tan bueno como el segundo. Not as good, not as fast, no tan rápido como el segundo, no tan claro como el segundo, etc. Y si yo no tengo el not y tengo el as smooth or shiny as, significa que es exactamente lo mismo. ¿Ok? Bueno, este es el tema que vamos a ver en la próxima clase. En la próxima clase vamos a iniciar con los making comparisons too. For example, I'm not as old as my brother. ¿Qué significa? Pues que no son de la misma edad, no estamos iguales. I'm not as old as you, I'm not as old as my brother, no estoy tan grande como tú. Entonces, esa es la estructura que les comentaba, es el not as, más el adjective, más el as, para decir que uno está peor que el otro. Y cuando no tengo el not, estoy diciendo que las cosas son iguales. Igual en la próxima clase vamos a verlo rapidito porque ya sería el último tema y una vez que terminemos con este tema vamos a pasar a el test, ¿ok? A la evaluación. Igual los veo aquí el miércoles a las 6:30 para concluir el tema y concluir el curso, ¿ok?
Okay.
Do you have any question?
No.
No? Okay, thank you for being here, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.